Okay, we got a new SSD. We're going to open it up and take a look inside. So this is a Kingston A400. It's at 250 gigabytes, or sorry, 240 gigabytes. There you go, 240 gigabytes. These go for about $40 on Amazon. So it looks like we'll need a security Torx. And we'll get that out of our little kit here. Okay, this is the smallest security Torx bit I have. It's a little center hole in there. A little bit difficult to see. Okay, now we're going to take off these 4 screws. This little warranty sticker right out of the package was, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of flapping there. So it was like this out of the package, so we're going to take advantage of that and take a peek inside of a Kingston A400 SSD. It's pretty light, so there's probably not much in here. I would suspect that from the connector there's a couple chips that probably run right around here, and this is probably going to be empty. And basically this whole case is just for mounting it in your machine. So let's go for it. Just be careful, we don't want to rip this anymore if we don't need to. Just enough to get our screwdriver in there. Okay, so our warranty sticker survived, it's not ripped, and look at that, it's even smaller than I thought. Okay, so inside of here, what do we have? A couple of Kingston chips. It doesn't look like there's any other chips on the other side there. Oh, we can actually just, it's not even screwed into here. So this is our chip. Focus, please. There we go. I don't think there's anything really underneath the sticker. Let's see if we can get it off. Oh, yeah, there is. I guess that's the controller. The controller says it is a can barely read it. Let's see if we can get a light. So SM2259XT. A PSYK 29.0040. The other side, we've got a pair of Kingston chips. focus. That's what's inside SSDs these days. This is a 240 gig. I guess SD cards have gotten pretty small too. We'll drop this back in and reassemble. We'll be using this in a small TrueNAS server. It's going to be a pair of these Kingston 240 gig SSDs for a customer. They just needed only about 60 gigs, but these drives were on sale for pretty cheap, so I decided to go with these. Okay. Like it never happened. And now I guess I know why we all like to go with the M.2 standard, because we can have much smaller surface area for chips and they can mount right to the board instead of having to use a basically, I don't know, 4 times larger case to mount your disk. Pretty cool. Now we know. Thanks for watching.